The other day, we opened up an Xbox. Today, we're going to do an unboxing on the PlayStation 5. So let's see how big this monstrosity is, because supposedly, it's big. Now, they say bigger is better, but we'll see. Let's unbox this. We're going to start off with opening up the PlayStation controller, seeing what's inside one of these bad boys. Slicky slick. A little bit better than some of the other controllers I've played with on the PlayStation. Still not a... I think these bumpers are a little too small, but we'll see how it goes. Let's take a zoom in on that. Now it's time to open up the behemoth, the PlayStation 5. Wow, I'll be. This thing. It's like a suitcase. It's a box in a box. Got power cords. Another controller. I did not know it came with one. Nice little stand. Looks flimsy. I doubt I'll use it. HDMI, again, no gold tip. Are these people cheaping out or what? USB to, I think that's to the controller connector there. Instruction manuals. And now. Supposedly the most sought after gift this Christmas. Almost dropped it. Because it's so shaped weird. Is that the way it's supposed to go? Or is this the way it's supposed to go? Like that? Who in their right mind would want something this? Look at that. You can't stack anything on it. I don't know about that. I know they want people to stand it like this so it looks like something out of Star Trek, but I don't know about that. I can see a lot of stuff happening with that. That's not... I don't know. Let's look what's on the back of it here. 2 USBs, Ethernet, HDMI, and a power. On the front, connector for the controller, USB, one, I don't know what the other one is, ejection button. Now let's compare sizes. Let me get it out. Right here's the PlayStation 5. Compared to the PlayStation 4. As you can tell, about a 5-inch difference right there. Now we put it down beside each other, about 1.5 inches difference in dimensions here. About the same size long ways here, but not, definitely not. Again, like I said, this is not going to be good if you want to stack your consoles on top of each other. Definitely, they want to make sure you only play the one thing. What we're going to do now is a side-by-side comparison. As you can tell, the Xbox Series X is a couple inches shorter than the PlayStation 5. It is also, maybe we'll do it like this, definitely not as bulky. So you're going, at least with this, I could put it on the Xbox if I wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could. I gotta give the edge to the Xbox controller. It just feels a little more natural to me than the PlayStation. It just feels too slick. Like you could just, like, I don't know, like oil on it. And it just doesn't have that nice grip like you would need to put it in and play something good to your heart's desire. And it looks like they're trying to make this out of something out of the Jetsons or something. And it's just, I don't know. And I guess it's not what's in the outside that matters. It's what's in the inside. So, let's load this puppy up and see if it's better than the Xbox or not. Alright, well, we're going to pause with this and we'll get back. So it runs just about the same as the other. Now let's see. Alright, so far let's sign in. So the PlayStation Store. Let's see, collections. That don't look too good. Are you ready for a PS5 adventure? Oh, I don't know. Right now I have nothing installed. I'm just waiting for this to update, then I'll install some games and give it a little try later. Instead of achievement points on the like the Xbox, they do trophies. Well, so overall I think it looks about the same as the PlayStation 4's dashboard. I imagine the games are going to look a little better, but nothing over the top. Like I said, there's been no games really for these systems out this year. That's why I wish they would have waited one more year. But we got it for the games that come out next year. Well, now that I have tried them both a little bit here and there, I think I'm going to be playing with the Xbox a lot more than the PlayStation. So that's just my 2 cents right now. The PlayStation could grow, but I'm still not pleased about how that wobbles. And to show something, how easy it can scratch. Like I said, supposedly this is the more powerful one, but this is the newest, freshest looking one of the two.
And look, you also got a bonus kitty cat in that one.
Oh, I need to take pictures of it.
Yeah. Is it 2 paws up? Or 2 paws down? You like it, Nova? Put your batteries in. Or does it?
Charges.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay, Nova. You play with the boxes. You got a kitty! Hi, Nova!
Nova.
What are you doing in there? She's coming out of the box. Look, you don't even have to update her. You don't have to plug her in.